guys, Gavin here with my YouTube video. Welcome to a Just Cause 3 video. Today we're just going to be messing around. We're not going to be doing much. We're just going to be doing some funny stuff because I don't know what else to do, really. There's not much else to really do besides missions, but I'm not that type of guy. I like to just mess around with these people. Hop in our car. I want to get quick to this. So like we're going to be crashing into people, going on with the cops. Yeah, you know what I mean. And I just spawned into the game. It's been a little bit while, but we're heading to the city. And most cops are found. What? Hey, what to say? What? Uh-oh. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna back up the cops. Where I'm in home. Oops, sorry. Oh, I missed them. Okay, get them. See, even if you even touch them, they just call the cops on you. See ya. Lates. What's that say? I can't read while I'm driving. I think it said something about breakdown. I didn't see breakdown. Boom, they're on us. It's horrible. We lost visual. Horrible breakdown, let's go. Go, you better watch out, dude. Is this just searching for me? They found him. Sorry, I'm in a chase here. I can't just be the wheel driver. They're right there. Hey, watch out the... Boom. Beat that. Ha 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 ha. Crapper. Hijack. Get to the... Boom. Yeah, you can stay in there for a while. Alright, here we are. You just crashed into an Italian car. Sorry! Everyone, get back. I'll be the guard here today. Get back! Ow! You're getting arrested, I know. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Oh, crap. I'm going to die. I'm not really going to shoot you. No! You may not call the cops. It's here for Rico! Woo! Thank you, thank you. Oh, sweet. Boom. Oh, ooh, I saw a better gun. Where is it? Give me your gun. There you go, thanks. So anybody else think they're gonna come and beat me? Yeah, you guys can go, by the way. You guys are like... Hey, my car got fixed! There isn't anything on the back anymore. Sweet. Someone must have fixed it. Lights. Where are we going now? I think we're going to the air place. Oh crap. And this is a boring video. We gotta get some side. Oh, this is right here. Is that alright? I lost it. Dang it. Where's some stunts? Whee! Oh crap. That was fun stunt, really. Boom! Boom! Oh, there you go. Beat that car up. Let's go. Boom! Come on now. Let's beat that car up. Boom! Deserves to die. But yeah, you're smoking. Alright, one more hit. Let's go. Let's get a great angle here. Good. Okay, no, wrong way. Perfect. Italian car. Boom! Oh, we lost our trunk. Boom! Oh, we're on fire. We're on fire. See ya. So, who wants to take a car? You look like a worthy man. Let's get away from the explosions. What do you say? What do you say? Let's get away from the explosions. Boom! Ow! How More cops. Am I stuck? Lovely, I'm stuck. How am I stuck? I have one tire now. Sweet. That's good. Let's see if that helps. See if that helps us. Okay, let's try that now. Hey, it helped! Boom! Give me it! Alright, let's go hijack someone. Okay, guys, we're gonna go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go kill someone, right? So yeah, let's go kill someone. Ooh. Limousine. Let's go. Come on, hurry up. I don't care if park broke. Okay, but we gotta kill our passenger now. So what we're gonna do is we're keep crashing into stuff. We're crashing that wall, boys. Let's go. Boom, da, dum, dum, da, boom! First of all, ow! How does that feel? Creepy, okay. Let's light it up. You want free fire? We can get in trouble. Ready? Playing fire. Wow. Wow. We can still ride it, I think. No, we cannot. Let's see if I can beat you. How? Oh, one more try. Oh. Give me that gun. I was like, you want to shoot at me? Say you like it. I get shot. I don't care. Last shot. Last time. Oh, you're dead. You're dead. Take it easy on you. I can't hit her. Boom. I also do some stuff really. What do we got? Is there any more people in here? I wanted to kill. Boom! Bullseye. And she's not dead yet. Boom! You better watch out. You better not cry. You look alive. We got a car now. We got a car. We're gonna go crash into stuff. Because we can just do that, you know? It's my world. We're gonna go crash into that guy's broken car. We missed! That's alright. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. Alright, ready? Head first! Not that guy. I missed that guy. Here we go. Ready? Right here. Let's go right here. Boom! The police are doing great jobs here. Breaking people's hearts. I'm in the next video. Just cause 3 explosions. I missed that guy. I hit her. Dun, 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 dun. Cuckoo driver! I missed. Cuckoo driver. The cops. Boom! Oh, I gotta go. We're gonna go back now. Well, hey, they're flipped over, so we're good. We're just gonna go back now, and we're gonna hopefully. Haha! Beat that! Yeah! Crash into them. Boom! Boom! I did not blow up either! Yeah! It's in my field though. Explosions. What the heck? They're not alive. Well, later then. Can I do some more? Aww. Ah, we're clear. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's a 40s! That's the wrong car, holy crap. Get out! I need this car. Lights. That was the wrong car, I didn't mean not to hit. Oh, good day! I'm under your... Crash into you. Boom. You still here? What? Can we make it? Can we make it? Can we make it? Ow! I believe I cannot fly. Crap, where are they? Hey, they're right there! Oh my god, guys! Go! Boom! So you get hit my dun 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 dun. Oh, which way did we go? That way. I remember that way. Well, guys, we keep the cops on them and chase. Dun 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 dun. That's where a new car. Oh, boom! Horrible drifting, but still got me off-roading. Whee! Ow! They near us. One more car hit, we're done. I'm stuck in a puddle. I can't go! No! No! I literally can't go. It's like this is as fast as I go. Please, I'm sorry I didn't kill the rebels. There's more here. Ha! Take cover. You're gonna die. What ended your death? Ah! Huh! But you can die. No! I can't breathe! This guy's beast. Come at me. Hmm? And we have more people shooting at us. Welcome back. Let him shoot. Alright, let's go. What? Come on! Can we throw like a grenade or something? Oh, hello, it's the group pack here. Oh, you're all gonna shoot at me. That's it. All shoot at me. Oh, crap, no. You may not call me. Oh, dang it. I know it's going to come. That's right. Told you. Armored truck. I repeat, we have armored truck. He's gonna call reinforcements and then he's gonna die. Oh, he didn't call reinforcements. Haha. Beat that suckers. We're over. The roof's closed. Have you not seen what happens out here? Boom. What? You're gonna die. You're gonna die, you know that, right? Let's be careful. Is there cars? Boom. See, I'm examining them. Boom. See, I'm examining them. Ow! You wanna die? I have a gun, you know. I wanna let's use that gun actually, that's pretty good. Cool, I'm gonna use that turbulence thing. Was it like a knife or something he brings out and it just snatches it? Boom. No! I wanna get in the thing. I like the thing. There we go. There we go. Alright, we're in. Target practice. Alright. A 20-degree angle. Let's get his head. Boom! Let's keep shooting him. I wonder if I would fall off. Just hang in there. Pretty good. You know? Hang there, you know. Daily hangs. You don't want to come? Okay. I popped the tire! Yeah! Long shot. They don't even know it. Oh, welcome to the town. I thought you were alive. She's fine. She's fine. Where do you think you're going? Okay, she's going somewhere. I have no idea. Wait, no one gets past here without a death. No, they're gonna get past. No. Dang it. That's one sturdy car. That is one sturdy car. Alright. That's where we're gonna end it. That car moving. Ready? Target practice! Alright, so we're gonna end it. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all.